For the birds in the sky and the fishes deep in the sea. Yeah. A place where all the children can live. There's really no nothing better to give. Your love comes back to you. So I'm calling out to you. So clean, water crystal clear. We lived by the sun and had it all. We were living in a dream. Lover, lover, we can bring the seasons back. Imagine that we could bring the seasons back. Can you imagine that? Lover, from the birds in the sky to the fishes deep in the sea. Thanks, folks. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. How you doing out there?